Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw a dragonfly. So dragonflies, it's more like a summer bug insect that comes out in the summer, so trying to stick with a summer theme here. So first we're going to start with the dragonfly's head. So we're going to kind of have him like diagonal like this. So we're going to start with his head about right here in the corner. So we'll just draw kind of like a little circle, partial circle. I'm gonna stop right about there. And then we're just gonna draw this little like segment, I guess it would be, underneath his head. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the body. So we're gonna just extend this to like about right there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and kind of looks like an ant right now. So just gonna do that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add these little like segments to our dragonfly. So kind of like that. Just even that off a little bit like that. All right. So next we're gonna go ahead and add the wings. So we're gonna do 4 wings in total. So on the top, we're gonna just start up here and then just come out and then just go back in like that. And then on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. We'll just come out, do them, as evenly as possible. I mean, one might be a little bit smaller, but just, as best you can. And then for the bottom wings, we're gonna just have them come out like this. We're gonna make them just slightly smaller. And then again on this side. So like that. All right, and then we're gonna also add like a little like pattern on our wings. So we're just gonna add 2 lines down this, or a line down the center, and then just kind of like these little, squiggly lines. So if you look at a dragonfly's wings, they usually have like some kind of pattern on them. So just kind of like that. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some eyes to our dragonfly. So just right here at the top of the head, we're just gonna add 2 little circles, and then, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add like another little circle, kind of like a shine, like a little shine circle. And then we're just gonna color that in. So that little circle in the center there, that's just gonna stay white. And then we're gonna add these little like mouthpiece in the top, or the top of the head. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and outline our dragonfly with our black marker. And then do a little head here. So we'll just stop there at the eyes and just go around, because we'll do those. We're just gonna color the eyes in black and make sure we leave that little, white circle in the center there. They're kind of off-centered a little bit, not really exactly in the center, but just color around that and try to make them, as evenly as you can. And then our little mouth, and of course our wings. last wing here. Little pattern on the inside. Okay, so next we will go ahead and move it over just a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we color. And for the wings, I'm not gonna fully color them in because they're usually clear, like on a dragonfly. So we're just gonna kind of outline them with like I'm gonna use like kind of like a turquoise colored marker for that. Okay, so we'll start with the wings. So I'm just gonna take my marker and just outline the wings. So outline like all the black. And then I'm just gonna go down like this, down the middle, and then down those little black lines that we have coming off from the center. So that it kind of looks like, you know, the kind of like illusion of a, you know, that it has some color, but not, you know, it's not fully colored because, you know, wings are usually transparent. So we're going to kind of give that illusion that they're transparent. And then do these, and then the last wing over here. Okay. And then for our dragonfly, I'm going to use this green color. It's like really light green. You could use any color that you want. I mean, dragonflies come in all sorts of different colors. So, you know, any color that you want to use is fine. I just realized I didn't erase the pencil in our dragonfly's eyes there. As I erase off some of the marker. All right, and then we'll go ahead and just color the entire body the same color. All right, so that is it. So that is how you draw a dragonfly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have many more videos on my channel and many more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.